I don't have my life figured out. And no, it is not one of those videos where I'll say that and then secretly have everything figured out. I genuinely don't. Some days I wake up feeling super motivated, like I exactly know where I'm going. And some days I just feel like existing, doing things just because I'm supposed to, not because I'm sure about them. And for a very long time, I felt like something was wrong with me. We live in a world where everyone seems so sure about their life. People know what they want to become. They have career plans, 5 year visions, 10-year visions, morning routines that somehow fix their entire life. You open Instagram, YouTube, even LinkedIn, and it feels like everyone else got a manual for life. And you miss that chapter. I also used to think, why am I not so certain? Why am I still confused? Am I behind? But here's what I've realized, most people don't actually have their lives together. They're actually pretty good at pretending like they do. A lot of people are choosing paths because they feel pressurized, because time is passing, because everyone else is moving, and thus staying still feels scary. And confusion. Confusion isn't weakness, it's awareness. We have romanticized growth too much. We think growth looks like glow up, success stories, discipline, productivity. But real growth, it looks messy. It looks like changing your mind. It looks like changing steps. It looks like taking pauses. Looks like restarting things you thought you had figured out. Sometimes growth even looks like doing nothing because you're tired of pretending to be okay. And that still counts. There's so much pressure to figure life out early. What career, what path, what's your purpose, what's your passion? But no one talks about how overwhelming it is to make life decisions when you're still learning who you are. Your priorities are changing, you are changing, your dreams are changing. So, why do we expect certainty in a phase meant for exploration? Let me say this clearly, you're not behind in life. There's no universal timeline, there's no correct age to get things sorted. There's no deadline for becoming yourself. Just because someone else is ahead in one area doesn't mean you're behind in life. Different paths, different timings, same worth. I'm slowly learning to sit with uncertainty, to stop rushing answers, to stop forcing clarity, to trust that things will make sense when they're supposed to. Not knowing doesn't mean I'm lost forever. It just means I'm still discovering. And that's allowed. If you're watching this right now and feeling stuck, confused, or pressured to get it together, please know this. You don't need to have your life together right now. You just need to keep showing up, keep learning, keep being honest with yourself. That's enough. I don't have my life figured out, but I'm learning, I'm growing, I'm giving myself permission to take time. And if you're in the same place, you're not alone. We'll figure it out. Slowly. If this felt like a safe pause in your day, subscribe and stay for the journey. That was all for today's video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay aware, stay grounded, take care of yourself, and bye bye.